to win the Roux Scholarship, definitely it takes a bit of courage. You have to be kind of brave to apply first, and you have to feel that you're ready. Okay, so my name is Karol Ploch. We are at Kerridge London Hotel, and I'm a sous chef at Kerridge Bar and Grill. The Roux Scholarship is a very prestigious competition. Judges are choosing 18 semi-finalists, and from those semi-finalists, 6 finalists, 6 competitors goes to the final. But obviously, you never really know what's gonna happen. All competitors were very good, so well, it was completely, it was a surprise for me actually. We're gonna cook today a dish I prepared for semi-final Roux Scholarship competition, and it's gonna be roasted pork with pork and pistachio farce, sweet potato dauphine, mushroom bonbon, and peppercorn sauce. So now we're gonna roll a pork ballotine. We're gonna roll the farce and wrap around the pork loin. Finish with the pancetta, and we're gonna sous vide that for 50 minutes at 65 degrees. I try to keep the dish very simple and very easy. Use French techniques. That's why, for example, we have sweet potato dauphine. But also there's a modern element like mushroom bonbon, which is glazed in aged malt vinegar jelly. So for the peppercorn sauce, we're gonna caramelize the pork trim, pork bones, and chicken wings. We're gonna drain them off and dice some shallots, garlic, and we're gonna caramelize that, add some tomato paste and brown sugar, caramelize that again, deglaze the pan with a soy sauce and brandy, and cover with the water, add thyme and bay leaf and dry mushrooms. We're gonna cook that for 2 hours, and we're gonna finish with cracked black pepper and cider vinegar. For the mushroom mix, we're gonna dice and sweat shallots on the butter, add caramelized tomato paste, and add diced king oyster mushroom. Deglaze the pan with Madeira wine, and we're gonna thicken up with beurre manière. Now we're pouring the mushroom mix into the molds. We're gonna freeze that, and once it's frozen, we're gonna glaze with aged malt vinegar jelly. We did that 3 times. We need like 3 layers to make it hold. So pork was cooking for 50 minutes. Now we're gonna unwrap it and roast it for 6 minutes on 220 degrees. The pork ballotine is ready, and we're gonna leave it to rest for at least 20 minutes, and it's ready to carve. So now we're gonna pan fry our pig's kidneys. It's seasoned with salt, garlic, and thyme. And after that, we're just gonna glaze them with pork glaze and finish with lemon thyme and pork crackling. So now we're gonna move into sweet potato dauphine. So we cook sweet potatoes in a backpack bag until they're soft, squeeze the flesh out and get rid of the moisture, and mix with choux pastry, basic choux pastry recipe, and pipe that on the tray, freeze it, and fry it from frozen. So now all the components of the dish are done, and now it's time to plate. For the plating, first thing we're gonna carve pork ballotine. That goes on the plate first. After that, mushroom bonbon, sweet potato dauphine, finish with lemon zest, pork kidney glazed with port glaze, and finish with pork crackling and lemon thyme on top. On the plate goes cider gel. And on the side we're gonna serve peppercorn sauce. There we have roasted pork loin with pork and pistachio farce, sweet potato dauphine, glazed pork kidney, and mushroom bonbon with peppercorn sauce.